So I've been whitening my teeth every week now, and I've just been doing it for 2 weeks now. This is gonna be my 3rd week. I'm using the Fairywill whitening strips. So it comes with 21 delicate whitening treatments and then 4 super whitening treatments. I've already used 1 super whitening treatment. I think I'm gonna use the delicate one for today. There's only 4 of the super ones. Basically, the smaller ones go at the bottom and then the bigger ones go at the top, and you have to dry your teeth before you put them on. The super one you can actually leave on for 60 minutes, so an hour, and then the delicate one you can only leave on for 30 minutes. So I just want to quickly do my dishes, clean up the kitchen a little. So once I get these on, I'm probably not gonna talk at all, but I'm gonna keep this on for half an hour.